Nature Valley was founded in 1975 in the United States. It was the first granola in the world. Nature Valley is wholesome. You can actually see the ingredients. Ideal. It is an excellent source of whole grain and 100% natural. Why this run? Our forests have been damaged and depleted by human abuse. Typhoons Ondoy and Pepeng wrought unprecedented damage. It is time to run, and run for a cause. One runner will be equal to one tree. Run for nature. Run for a tree. This is the Run for Life, the run for our life. Ordinary people with ordinary lives, running for an extraordinary cause.
Run for a cause.
Run for a tree.
Run for nature. This is the Run for Life.
I will run 5K.
I will run 10K.
I will run 21K.
I will run 21K.
I will run 21 kilometers.
We will run as a team.
The Nature Valley Run 2010 on May 30 at the Bonifacio Global City. One runner equals one tree. Run and be counted. Brought to you by Nature Valley Granola Bars. 100% natural. Get started naturally.